Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a fillable form using Microsoft Word. So very quickly, let's create our form first. So let's say our form is just a quick database. So let's see here. Let's say this is just for a quick survey. And then let's say here we want to ask for their age, the respondent's age. Let's say here we have 15 to 20 years old. And here we have 20 to 25 years old. And then here, let's change this 21 to 25 years old. Here, 26 to 30 years old. And then here we have 30 and above. 31 and above years old. So what we want here is we want to add tick boxes for our survey. Now very quickly, what we want to do here is here, right click, and then click on customize ribbon. From here, go here on the right side, you'll see developer right here. Tick this box and then click OK. And as you can see here, a developer slide or utility box was added. Now here you can you have other controls available already. You have your combo box content control. You also have drop down list control. So now we want to add in insert checkbox content control. So let's have that here and then here and then here and here. Now already that would create a fillable form for our PDF. We can also include forms like this one, drop down list content control. Then here you can edit the items already like so. You can just click on this to edit the item, or you can edit it using properties right here. You can add in a specific title. Here you have choose item. You can click on add right here. You can add a display name here. So let's say let's add some professions here. Let's say doctor. Here let's have lawyer. Then let's say this is like jobs or other things, admin, staff, or here let's say nurse or an analyst, IT. Then once you click OK, now you'll have those drop boxes here, and then you can add here profession. That's number 2 right there. And that's it. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit of course the like and subscribe button, and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.